Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Johnny here, coming to you with an explanation video of how I was able to earn over $2,000 on the Gumroad platform. If you're unfamiliar with what Gumroad is, it's a platform where creators can actually upload digital products and services and sometimes physical products. And this specific method of making money online is called affiliate marketing. And all it is me sharing a referral link that the creator gives me, and then people use that link, they click on it, they go to that website, and they purchase on that specific referral link. I then get a commission based on whatever percentage the creator has put, and then they direct deposit from Gumroad to your bank account. How was I able to amass over $2,000 just on this specific platform called Gumroad? I utilize social media. So one tool, I utilize Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all the social media platforms, just by sharing my knowledge, sharing what I'm doing, and then also sharing what other people can get from that specific product, service that I'm advertising. It does take work. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not a instant gratification situation. So it does take a while to build up credibility online. If you have no social media presence, you do have to actually take the time to bring value to the people that are following you and paying attention to what you actually post. That's what it comes down to. Over the years, I have been able to create a following on social media, people that pay attention to what I have to say, people that want to hear what I have to say, and they do value my opinion, and they do value what I bring to the table and what I have to share with them as far as products and services go. So people look at that, they take that value that I already helped them with online, giving free value, and then in return, sometimes they actually click the referral link and end up buying that product or service. What I would do if you're first starting out in affiliate marketing is make sure you clean up your social media, you get everything lined up correctly for what you actually want to share and post. If you're all over the place, posting gaming, posting personal stuff, posting business, all of that stuff is going to mix, and it's not going to necessarily show a good presence. It's not going to show yourself in the light that you want it to. Some people like to create brand new social media accounts, which I would recommend if you're all personal on your stuff. Create a separate. You can even go anonymous. There are ways to do anonymous affiliate marketing. It does work. A lot of people do that on Twitter. Very possible. You don't even have to put your real name, real picture of yourself. It is doable. In turn, really, it's just consistency. What I like to do is I show results from that product or service, whether it's from myself or it's from other customers. And then in return, results are social proof. People see results. That's what they want to actually receive from that product or service. Now, affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest hustles to start because you don't have to put any money behind it. You do have to put time behind it though. So like I said, building up your social media presence, building up that credibility, and creating results for yourself, or like I said, sharing results of other customers, other people that have already done it. Getting that social proof is really what it comes down to. And long term, if you really stick with it, if you stay consistent, you can build up to a six-figure income, as I've seen some of my peers do. And this specific money that I made, like I said, it's only on the Gumroad platform. In the future, I'll be sharing other videos, other money-making methods, other platforms that I've used with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is everywhere. Amazon, it's on YouTube, it's on everything you can think of. There's probably an affiliate commission link that you can get access to if you sign up on the platform, or you get in the right terms with that person or service. You guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, please drop a comment, please subscribe if you are new. It's been Johnny, and I'll see you guys next time.